We at Kagan hope this finds you doing well in this unprecedented time in our history. Please know we realize how hard you've been working. Thank you for all you're doing for our nation's students. During this time of physical distancing, many of you are recognizing the importance of meeting students' social and emotional needs. Our students' need to connect with each other is perhaps greater now than ever before. With this in mind, the Kagan team has been working to create ways to support you, and we're pleased to announce that Kagan has developed a new professional development opportunity, Kagan Live Online. This online training includes many breakouts for educators to interact with colleagues as they learn ways to create engaging, interactive learning opportunities for students when they come back to school this fall. Join us in the digital world. If you're interested in hosting an online training, contact us at 800-451-8495 or by email at partnerships@kaganonline.com. Learn proven Kagan strategies that narrow achievement gaps, reduce discipline problems, meet students' social and emotional needs, and enhance students' friendships. From all of us on the Kagan team, stay safe, and we hope to see you digitally in a workshop very soon.